Hello from Glyki Nero, or in translation in English, sweet water. And it's a beautiful Friday over here in Cyprus. You can see here all the beach. It's so great. And this beach is right next to the other larger beach, Pantachou. So Sandy Beach, and I found it in one of the 10 best beaches in Cyprus list, but it is because it is very close to the Lovers Bridge. And you see, the water here is crystal clear. And there is even a nice rock. Actually, from here, from this point, the sandy beaches here end, and it is mostly that kind of texture of the land, going all the way to Lovers Bridge and then continuing to Cabo Greco. Look at that. And yes, today it's 1st of September 2023. It's 2:30 p.m. and this is my 5th beach for the day. And if you want to see the other videos of mine, just check out the rest of my YouTube videos from my Cyprus playlist, of course. And yes, this is day 5 of our vacation, so I have explored so many beautiful different beaches over here, and there are a few more to come. And from here also, from Glyki Nero Beach, I can see the crowds over there that are posing with the Lovers Bridge. And now that I think about it, I will also maybe take a swim from here to take a shot from the Lovers Bridge from the sea. But until then, check out this wonderful view. It's amazing. And there is a boat passing by. So the boat comes actually to a place where you can also walk or take the bus. And yeah, I was looking into actually to take a boat tour, and it was like 5-hour boat tour, and they said they only have one stop for swimming, and that is big no-no for me. Whenever I was on boat trips earlier in Greece and Turkey and other countries, it's always like too many swim spots, but not here in Cyprus. People are waving from the boat, Aphrodite II. Speaking of Aphrodite, the fun fact for today for you about Cyprus would be, or actually interesting fact, is that there is a famous rock here close to Paphos called Aphrodite's Rock, where it is said that Aphrodite was born. I visited that site in 2018 during my Cyprus trip, and it was amazing. It was so many beautiful waves, and I have a really nice picture posted on my social media accounts. All right, I think it's time that I put my head in the water, in this beautiful turquoise water. Let's go. All right. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm gonna leave you here more with the scenery, as I'm planning my snorkeling trip to the Lovers Bridge that I will visit also later from land. It's beautiful. All right, that's a wrap from this beach called Glyki Nero, in translation sweet water, if I'm not completely mistaken here. And yes, make sure to check out the rest of my Cyprus videos and subscribe for more beach adventures from Cyprus. and the rest of the world on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.